Are you ready to become a member of this particular channel?
Hello. How to unlock exclusive benefits with our channel membership, support, connect, and get exclusive perks. Welcome to our channel. This is an explanation of our channel membership program. By joining, you are not only supporting our community, but gaining access to a wealth of exclusive benefits that make your experience here even richer and more connected. Members will join and you will enjoy the following benefits. Members only shorts. This is quick information or informative content crafted just for members. This is one of the perks you will join once you register as a member. Next one is priority reply to comments. Your comments as a registered member will be seen and responded to faster. Exclusive live chats. Once you join as a member, you will enjoy special live chats and you will connect with me personally, and I will help you to address most of your poultry and livestock issues. Early video access. By joining as a member, you will be among the first set of viewers to view our new releases. Next one is social media connection. You will engage with me on a personal ground on social media through members only content. Exclusive videos. There will be additional deep dive videos just meant for members. Very soon you will start witnessing most of all these things I'm telling you. You see, most of the times you see some videos will be released and you click on it, it will tell you members only. Photos and status update. Behind the scene moment and real-time update of photos and status you will enjoy as a registered member. Private chat rooms. You will discuss and share insights with like-minded members once you are a registered member, and there will be discounted merchandise. There will be some products and services of this particular channel that you get at a reduced and discounted rate. This is meant for registered members. And there will be members only live streams. In this particular channel, we will be going on live streams. Most of the live streams will be dedicated to registered members. It will be private live stream event for deeper interactions with registered members. In this particular channel, Dr. Leonard C. Nwogu's channel, that is meant for poultry, livestock, and agribusiness, both organic and synthetic. Everything is discussed in full detail. It's an educational channel where we give you up-to-date information on how to run your agri and poultry and livestock business profitably. We go deep into organic poultry, we go deep into feed formulation to reduce the cost of running your poultry and livestock business. There are 4 different membership categories. One is general for everyone. You can join that one with little amount of money, and once you click on that first general farm, the platform will give you the price in your own currency. It is very cheap, and you pay for it on a monthly basis, just a token. There will be another second group, that is second membership group, that is silver members. These silver members, the price monthly pay is a little bit higher, but not high compared to what you get. Then the next stage is the third stage, which is the golden members, which is a bit higher also with higher benefit. And finally, the diamond members. So if you are in this particular platform and you want to enjoy all these benefits, click on join on the top right corner of your page. You see join, click on it and join and enjoy all these exclusive perks and exclusive benefits. But whether you are joining as a member or just watching, all of our regular content remains accessible for everyone to enjoy. But when you become part of the community that cares about bringing you the best, you need to join one of the members group to join this particular family in order to enable us to bring the best for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to reach more farmers and those that wish to be part of this family that will help us to grow. We'll grow together, we'll enjoy together, and we'll make it together. Poultry farming, livestock farming is not a business that you can do without a experienced mentor. Mentoring will help you to grow in this particular business. That money you will spend in medication, little token of it will help you to avoid that unnecessary expenses and heartbreak. Bye for now.